good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today recipe is a paneer recipe. Today we are going to do paneer mutter masala in restaurant style. The main ingredient to do this recipe is of course our paneer cubes along with fresh peas, or you can use the frozen peas, cashew nuts, red chili, cumin seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, onions, garlic, bay leaf, tomato, along with our general kitchen items like turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, ghee. So let us get into the recipe. Restaurant style is, first we need to toast our paneer cubes. I have just added 3 tablespoons of ghee. Toast it to a golden brown and keep it aside. So friends, you can find our paneer is nicely toasted. Now keep it aside and see what is next. In the same pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to fry all this, starting with cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cashew nuts, slightly roasted. I'm going to have few garlic cloves, followed with sliced onions, and 2 chopped tomatoes. Toast everything well. Once the color changes slightly, let us see what is next. So friends, you can find all our mixture is nicely cooked. So off the stove, once the mixture is cool, grind it to a fine paste in the mixie jar and let us see what is next. Take another kadai. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. So now we are going to add our 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, followed with the required amount of red chili. As per the spice, of course, bay leaves, now whatever paste that we have grinded, we need to add it to our kadai. And toast it until the raw smell goes. Now we are going to add one by one these spices, starting with half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, followed with the required amount of chili powder. We are going to add our red chili as well, so be cautious when adding the chili powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, followed with the required amount of salt, along with coriander powder and garam masala as per the spice level. And the coriander powder, and mix everything well. You can find the oil gets separated. Still then you need to toss it well. Gravy is nicely getting cooked. You can find all the oil is getting separated. At this stage I am going to add our frozen peas 1 cup, followed with the tossed paneer cubes in the ghee. Paneer cubes as well. Mix everything. After 2 minutes off the stove and it's ready to be served hot. So our Mutter Paneer restaurant style is ready to be served and displayed. So friends, here goes our lovely Matar Paneer restaurant style. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.